Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. If making money online is your intention, on my channel I review products and of course sometimes programs and training courses, and of course anything that will help you begin to make money online. Today I have another amazing software product, a Twitter traffic product called TwitterBox. TwitterBox is going live on the 12th of June 2022 at exactly 9 a.m., 10 a.m., thereabouts, 11 Eastern Standard Time, and that should be British time, GMT, that should be 4 p.m., and of course Central European time, 5 p.m. And in a nutshell, this one is going live and being pushed out there by the super affiliate, the creator and vendor, billion-dollar man, Wesley Virgin. And in a nutshell, is a Twitter product that is going to help you drive insane amounts of Twitter traffic to your offers and to your links and to whatever you have out there. And definitely that will mean driving traffic from Twitter to any niche of your choice you have online there. It could be affiliate link, it could be anything. This is going to help you drive traffic and gives you the opportunity to make up to between $37 to $197 daily using this product. So if this is a product you would like to have, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine, which I am going to actually show you now. When you get here, you can grab a copy with this or any of the other yellow links, I believe, scattered all over this page. When you do click any of them, they will take you to the sales page where you have the chance to get a copy for yourself. And this is the sales page. When you get here, you will definitely find yellow buttons and clickable buttons that will drive you to the very Warrior Plus account of mine, where you are going to get this very product. This yellow link, when you click it, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you will have to, under your purchase history, find a page that looks like this. That page will give you two buttons, access to TwitterBox, and here you have this blue one, access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which I'm going to show you in a very short while. Now, what is TwitterBox? TwitterBox is a breakthrough app that gets you free traffic in 5 to 10 minutes, maybe more, which turns into $37 to $197 sales from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, and of course any niche you have out there. And you know, Twitter following, no push button BS, no extra fees, and no upsells required. This is what the creator Wesley Virgin is saying, and we have no reason to doubt him. So this is basically what this product is all about. And I mean, Twitter is a little used platform of millions of people, where you can drive traffic, of course, to any of your choice. And now this is the pricing for this one. The first front end goes for $19, and that will give you the very sales members area. This is the software where members area. I was fortunate to have access to this, and so this is where you are going to get when you eventually become a member after purchasing this very product. Now, with that said, let us go further to say the upgrade number one is $197, and it's called the ultimate. Upgrade number two, $297. It's a done for you. Anything, everything is done for you. And here you have the upgrade 3 automation, which is to automate the program in a way that you just set and forget and make money. And upgrade number 4 will be $67, and this is the instant profit. Upgrade number 5, $147, traffic on tap. Upgrade number 6, $197, franchise. And upgrade number 7, multiple income, goes for $47. So these are all the things you have. If you get the very front end and you get the ultimate, which is the unlimited version, that may be enough for you. But if you want everything done for you, this is the very upsell you are going to make. Okay. With that said, let us see some of the amazing benefits you stand to gain, which definitely I will advise you to read through. But all I know is that it's a 100% free email marketing suite is always included, and 0 monthly charges pay once and enjoy forever. And you risk free for 365-day money back guarantee, which means in a whole year, if you want to return this product, you have the chance to get your money back fully. Okay, so that's about that. And now let me quickly show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot automation system. That is crazy. I will teach you how to do so. And now here you have how to get traffic to any offer of your choice, maybe from this Twitter box, which takes from Twitter. This app is going to give you access to take from other sources, most other social media handles and platforms that you can take traffic from. And now bonus number 3 will be how to create free professional website for people, which you can sell to clients all over the world. And bonus number 4 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. I'm an affiliate marketer, so many people, because it's the best business model online. And of course, with this, you can always have information on how to start from scratch to make money as an affiliate marketer. So that's basically what you have there. And here you have all the vendor bonuses as my bonus number 5. And of course, like I told you before, if you click here, it will take you to the sales page. You click this one, it will take you to my WaterPlus account, where you eventually purchase this product. When you do, you find this page under your purchase history, and then you have access to the product and to my bonuses using these 2 links. Okay, so that's basically what you have here, as long as this very bonus page of mine is concerned. Now let us see briefly the amazing software area of this one, so that you see exactly how this one is structured and see if that is going to help you make up your mind on this very product. This is the home, which is exactly where we are. This is where you have the account setting, the affiliate setting, and of course you have your bonuses upgrade account, image campaigns, video campaigns on Twitter. These are campaigns you do on Twitter, and then you have the Twitter campaigns, and of course you have your tools with link cloaker. You have image editor, hashtag generator, which means you can generate your hashtag on autopilot. And you have post templates, hashtag maker, site builder, tag charts, and of course social media links. And you have mailing suite, single sense, sign-up forms, contact segment. It's a complete package as long as I'm concerned. So I'm very happy to bring this one to you. You can add contacts, sign up starts here. So definitely you'll be able to go through all these features and see the training that you have there, traffic training, video guides, and of course a traffic digital marketing guide and email guide. Everything is a complete package here. And then of course here you can always watch I believe the getting started very video that you are going to use to get this one. Now here you have the Twitter campaigns, which is 800 per sale, new copy levels conversion. These are all the things, information you need to actually begin to use this very thing on your social media. So everything is comprehensively put here that you can have access to. So at your convenience, when you get here, you go through the training and be able to actually get started with this. Okay, so basically this is what the very members area talks about. And now let us see the sales page and see if we can scroll through, and I can assure you at your convenience you have this at your disposal to be able to make use of this one and definitely start making money as early as possible. So that's basically what you have done. Here are some of the daily income proofs from using this very software method, which you will find out when you eventually take this. It's a full package as long as I'm concerned, because it has basically everything: auto-responding capability, email marketing, image campaigns, video campaigns, Twitter campaigns. Everything is included in this. So, and this is Virgin, the Wesley Virgin. It's a very popular marketer and creator, which you are looking at. So let us see if we can locate the vendor bonuses for this one, and then we definitely go from there. Okay, so it's as simple as that. You will read these details at your convenience, and here are some of the numerous testimonials that you have, probably the beta testers of this product. So you have people confirming as to its authenticity, if I am not mistaken. Now bonus number 1 will be 500 per day playing games, and then bonus number 2 will be 300 by copying and pasting. You're making 300 daily, copying and pasting. And the bonus number 3, 800 in 1 hour with Google Chrome. Bonus number 4 will be 400 per day with WhatsApp. And those are the bonuses from the vendor. 4 from me, 4 from vendor. That's 8 sweet bonuses that you're going to get from this one. So now, with that said, we have basically wrapped up this very review. I want to make it short because I know you can go through this yourself and see what you have there. But I know that if you need traffic and you want to use the platform Twitter, which is little known, which means you have more possibilities there than most other handles, then this may be the product you need. And as such, you will definitely need to use that link below in my description area. That first link will get you started in the process of getting this product for yourself. And with that said, we will come to the end of this one. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, use the bell button for notifications, and of course I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I am still your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye guys.